This is thermal temperature screening by Leisure Connect in partnership with Indigo Unified Communications. We're delighted to have got involved with the churches. We provide thermal screening solutions which allows businesses, churches, charities to take thermal temperature, which is non-invasive for potential guests, parishioners or clients. Basically, when you walk into a venue, you will walk towards our equipment and you'll be scanned and screened for your thermal body temperature, which can be a factor in a detection of a potential virus in your premises. So we were delighted to get on board. We were approached by a company called Rosewood Homes in Carluke, who we installed 2 systems for in their building sites for the workers, and they then came across to us and asked us if they could donate a unit to their local church, which is St Athanasius in Carluke, which was a fantastic gesture from Rosewood. So we were delighted to play our part in that. We offered to give a free installation because it was a church and to help out and do our bit. And then we just thought that, being an ex-parishioner here myself and from this area, Carfin, I thought I'd like to do that for my own church, and hopefully they would get the benefit of being able to get parishioners and back to Mass when they can and make it a safer environment. So the technology itself basically measures thermal screening temperature, which is your body temperature. Obviously the symptoms of COVID and other types of virus are dependent a lot of the time on having a high temperature, which is a problematic symptom of it. So we just thought that this would be a good thing to launch this in partnership with some of our suppliers. It's been very good so far. We've been very busy with it. And like I say, it's been a really good solution. It's very good to help businesses and charities and churches, and we're kind of hoping that hopefully other like-minded businesses may help donate some to their own parish. So hopefully a lot of parishes will get the benefit from this technology and solution.
Well, this is Thursday the 18th of June, and this is a day that many of us have been anticipating, because we hope that in about just over an hour's time our First Minister will announce that we are ready to move into phase 2 of the ease down or the easing off of the lockdown. So we're hopeful and somewhat confident that she will announce that our churches can now be opened at the beginning anyway of phase 2 for private prayer. Hopefully then, when we go into phase 3, we'll be allowed to enter our churches for Holy Mass. But in anticipation of what she's possibly going to say this morning, we've prepared our church here for private prayer. And once you go in, there's all sorts of arrows and tapes directing you to what you must do and where you must go and so on. But before you're allowed to enter the church, there are 1 or 2 stipulations which we're pretty sure that the government will insist on. And one is wearing a mask. And we're very grateful that one of our former parishioners here, John McShane, has donated a wonderful machine to the parish which registers your temperature as you enter, and if you're not wearing a mask, it will direct you to wear a mask if you're not wearing one. So anyone whose temperature is over 36, 37 or so wouldn't be allowed to enter. So that's going to be demonstrated for you later on, but I want just at this point to say that I'm so grateful to John for this donation to the parish. His company is Leisure Connect, and we're very grateful that he has donated this to his former parish of St Francis Xavier here in Carfin. And when you come in, I'm told rather that these machines will be pretty important for quite some time, not just phase 2 or even phase 3, but probably following on from that for quite some time, when all these restrictions will still be in place. So I do ask you please to respectfully obey whatever the pass keepers or those who are directing you are asking you to do. They're doing it in my name, and they're doing it for your safety and for the safety of your family, so that you don't get anything and you don't pass anything on to anyone else. So please try to be conform to whatever it is that they ask you to do.